Hi everyone. In the last video, I discussed how to download and install both R and R Studio. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how to use R as a simple calculator. Now you are familiar with this R window. For the first example, let's say 8 plus 8. So once we type 8 plus 8, then go to the run icon and click on run. So once you click, you will see over here in the console we have 8 plus 8 equals 16. Yes, it means answer is 16. Similarly, 9 minus 28, click on run. So answer is negative 19. We can do the division. 29 divided by 12, click on run, and multiplication 35 multiplied by 21, click on run, 735. How do we find the square root of any number? So SQRT, and then bracket, write down the number you need to find the square root. I say 36, and then click on run. You will get the answer 6. Next, what I'm going to do, I define ABC. I say A equal 10, B equal 30, C equal negative 20. So I need to find the answer for A plus B. I type A plus B and go to the run, click on run, but we don't get the answer. Here you see we have an error. Object A not found. Why do we have this error? Yes, thing is this. We type A equal 10, B equal 30, C equal negative 20. But we didn't run this. We have to run first before we use this ABC. It means write type A equal 10, then click on run. Then go to the B, click on run and C. Now R knows A equal 10, B equal negative 30, C equal negative 20. So now you can use ABC. A plus B equal 40. Okay. Next equation, I need to find the 2 times x, 2 times A minus 3 times B to power 2 and minus 4 times C to power 6. So this is the equation 2a minus 3b to power 2 minus 4c to power 6. So just click on run, then you will get the answer. Next, let me explain derivatives. Suppose we need to find the derivative of the function x squared minus 3x plus 10. So first we have to define this function f equal expression. You see expression. So 2 times x squared minus 3 times x plus 10. So I should run. Then give the command for the derivatives. So it is d. Then define the function. Our function is f. So I type f. Then derivatives of f with respect to x. So just type x here. This meaning get the derivative of the function f with respect to x. Then just run. you see the answer 4x minus 3. Your name for the first derivative, I say first equal this. Then I have to run again. Now when we type first and run, then we get the first derivative here. So how do we get a second derivative? So I say second derivative. So again derivative of what? Derivative of the first derivative. Therefore, we can get the first derivative over here. That is our function now. Then with respect to x, so x, then run, then we get the second. So how do we get the answer? Just type again scc and run, then we have the second derivative, which is 4. Similarly, you can find the third, fourth, and etc. Next, integration. I want to search on help about integration. So what I do, I just type help, integrate, and run. Once you run, you will get this window over here. It's explain everything, the integration of one dimensional function, and you have here integrate, and these terms are defined under arguments. So if you go to the down, so you see we have several examples. So you can read this and understand, but let me explain one example. So first we have to define the function. I say integrand. So I write down int. So this is the function of x. Then what is the function? I say 2 times x minus 3. This is the function we need to integrate. Then give the command integrate. So the function is int. Then give the lower limit. Lower limit I say 0, and upper limit I say 2. So this means integrate 2x minus 3 from 0 to 2. Then run, you will get the answer, which is negative 2 with absolute error, this. I hope now you have basic idea how to use R as a calculator. Thank you for watching this video.